Hey guys, it's your girl Tori Aaliyah and I am back with another video. So thank you for clicking on this video. If you're a new viewer and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey boy, whoever's watching. So I'm back today with a try-on haul. So I was contacted by a company on Amazon. So they have an Amazon store and their name is Uqnaivs and Utyful. So they allow me to pick out a few items. I think I picked up to 6 items and then I paired them. So I think I have like 3 or 4 outfits all together that I want to show you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh, and before we get into it, please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you like hauls, if you like vlogs, story times. I do all of that. So yeah, subscribe if you want to see more, like this video, comment, let me know what other videos you guys want to see and I'll do that. And then now we can get into the video. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so the first thing I want to try on actually is this jeans pants that they sent me. So I got this in the size medium and it's like a blue jeans. It's more of like a straight leg flare type pants, and I picked this one because I haven't been liking skinny jeans lately. I've been more like straight leg kind of girl, a little bell type of girl like back in the day. So I wanted to try this one and it looks really nice material. It has like some style in here. There's also some on the feet, so like as you can see, it's a bit flared. It's not like, you know, skinny jeans. So we're gonna try this on and see how it looks. And yeah, I'm thinking I like it though so far. And the material is really good. It's like it has a bit of stretch to it. Now that I'm looking at it though, I think I should have went down a size, but I don't like really tight clothing, so I'm okay. So these are the jeans and I like them. They are a bit high-waisted, which I love, so they kind of meet like your belly button. So let me see how it looks. So when I kind of give my shirt a little tug, because I like when you tuck in. The top is not from there, by the way. I'm just saying this is what I have on. And then it comes with like that pocket. It's really nice. I do love the color, and let me show you how the bottom looks. All right, so these are the bottoms, you guys, and like I showed you, there were a little like bell. It's like a flared look that is given, which I love because I like putting on shoes that I can put my pants over sometimes. And yeah, I like it. I feel like I could have gotten like a smaller size because it is on the stretchier side. So like if you wear a size small and you want to be on the safe side, I definitely think you could just go with small because yeah, this is a slightly larger, but like I said, I like larger pants. So yeah, let's try the other stuff on. Alright, so I decided to also pick out this top. It's giving like cheetah vibes. I don't know, I guess it's the color, but this is a top that I also got in medium and I figured it would look good with this pants actually. And it's just giving real fall vibes, you know, purple. What am I talking about? Brown. And basically it has like a tie at the end, so you can kind of, you know, tie it up. I feel like you can also wear this shirt tucked in if you don't want to do that, because I got a medium, so it's big enough to do that. And it's just really cute. The material is nice. So I'm just gonna pop it on with the jeans that I had and show y'all how it looks together. All right, let's do that. Alright you guys, so this is the top. I told you it looks really nice. I like it. It has these little parts, these little tabs right here, so I feel like you can give it like a nice tied look at the front. I would like not tie it in a bow, just kind of like. And then I would probably go ahead and slightly tuck it in. I feel like it will look really cute tucked in. Let's see. So this is how it looks, and tucked in. I like this. I like it. I like the shit. At first, I was a bit like, do I like these type of blouses? But this is nice, and it's really giving fall, so I'm loving it. Okay, and I feel like this outfit will go great with it. I could even probably like rock some heels with this. You know, I have some brown heels, but like, girl, my toes are not done, so y'all will not be seeing it. But yeah, I like it. I like it. Let's get into the other outfit I have is another jeans, and I also got this in the size medium, and it's like blue jeans. This one is cute because it has like this drawstring waistline, which is nice. But looking at this, I'm also thinking I should have gotten a small. So yeah, stick with the size that you know you wear. I just sized up because I was like, you know what, better safe than sorry, because I did put on weight, you know, over the past few months. I didn't want to get a size, it was too small. But yeah, looking at it, I could have went down, but we'll see. Anyways, it does have the drawstring waist, so, and it is on the stretchier side, so I feel like even a larger size could fit it because the waistline. And then the legs, you know, there's some cutouts, which is cute. Other legs have cuts, which I like in jeans when they have this type of like, you know, cut to them. And then I love the pockets too because they are huge. And then there's pockets in the back as well. This is more of like a straight leg jeans. So yeah, this is a darker shade than the other jeans, the jeans I tried on earlier, but I like them. So we'll try them on and see how it looks. So these are the jeans. Like I said, yeah, it is a bit like on the larger side, but it still fits pretty nicely. And because of the waist, you know, I like that. I really do like it. And I especially love these, the cutout areas on this pants. And yeah, it's on the straight leg side, which I love. It doesn't look good with this top though, so let me change the top. I'm able to get another top, which this one is on the, it's a long sleeve top. It's actually not the material I thought it would be. Like, I thought it was just gonna be cotton, but it's not. But it is cute though. I like the I liked the pattern that was on it. It reminds me of this one, but just like a bit larger. And then it's like gray and black. So I just like that because I picked these out, you know, because it's colder now and I wanted some long sleeves. So this is nice. It is a stretchy material. It's not like, you know, typical cotton shirts. I'm trying to figure out what material it is. So you see. So it's polyester and spandex, which is why it's so stretchy, but it's nice and I feel like it will work for a larger size. I picked a medium because once again, I do like larger fitting clothes, especially like long sleeve tops. I like when they are a little larger than my typical size. So yeah, let's try it on with the jeans and see how, you know, they look together. All right, you guys, so this is the top and it is cute. It's really cute. I like it. Make sure I didn't get any makeup on it, but I think it's really nice. Let me show y'all. But yeah, I think it's really nice, and I think it worked out perfect with this pants because it kind of covers it since it's a bit larger than I needed. Like the pants, like the top is big enough to kind of cover it, hide that, but I like the top, y'all. And I like the material. I thought I would have been a bit weirded out by it being like spandex for this type of shirt, but it is nice. It feels really great too. So yeah, this is it. I think it looks nice. I actually think it works out the outfit together. You could rock them together with some boots, and it'll be a cute chill fit, you know. You just want to look cute but chill. Like, this is a perfect outfit for it. So yeah. Now let's look at what we have left. Alright, you guys, so now that I've tried these on, I want to show you the last top that I got. And this one is pretty simple, but I really liked it. It's a black top, but it has like a little hoodie in the back, and it's long sleeve as well. And I also got this in a medium. So I think, yeah, this material is cotton. It's really soft too. And then it just has the cute buttons at the front that I thought like was really cute. And it's just giving fall vibes, y'all. It's really giving fall vibes. I like it. I'm gonna put it on and show y'all how it looks. But yeah, I like this material too. And I feel like this with some black boots would be really cute. I feel like you can even throw this with like some black leather pants, which would be cute too. But yeah, I'm gonna stick to like just trying on like the clothes I got though. I don't want to mix them with other stuff. But yeah, this is a cute top though, and I really like it. Alright, and the last thing I got was this sweater. It's in dark pink, and it's on the puffy side that from what I've seen, but it looks like they've sucked out the air out of it. So I'm trying to see how I can take it out. Let's see. I think I might have to cut it. Let me grab a scissors. Alright, so I got a scissors. Let's see. Not to cut it. Alright, so it's puffing up now that the air is getting in. So let's see how it looks. It's a cute color though, and I had to get it because it was pink, and I love pink. Yeah, it's cute. This is so cozy, you guys. Like, it's not like a sweater, like it doesn't have any zipper or anything. It's just supposed to, like, you know, be put on. But it is cute, and it does come with pockets, which is great, you know. Can't have these without pockets. So I'm gonna try this on and see how it looks. But it's nice, and it does have a hood, but it is cute, and I love the color. I love the color. It's nice. Let me tell you what material it is. So it is polyester actually, and like 5% spandex, but yeah, it feels amazing though. Feels like a blanket. So yeah, let's try it on. Alright, you guys, so this is the top, and like I said, it does have like a hoodie in the back, which is cute. It is cute. Yeah. And then I do like the buttons here and how like it kind of opens up. I feel like if you want to be extra, like if you wear undershirt, you can always take the buttons out. If you want to be a little risque, but otherwise, I like the buttons up though. But yeah, I think it's cute. Let me show you how it looks. I decided to put the other jeans back on because I feel like the way the ends look, it looks better with this type of pants instead of the other one. But it's cute. But I definitely think these types of shirts, while they're cute like this, I feel like they look even better when you tuck them in, when you have like high-waisted pants. So let's tuck it in and see how it looks. And then kind of like let them drop a bit. Yeah, I like that. But yeah, I think, yeah, it looks better like this. It's actually 3 buttons. I just missed one, y'all. So it's 3 buttons. And it is cute. It's cute. I like it. So yeah, it tucked in like this is really nice. And while we're at it, let's just try on the sweater that I mentioned earlier. So yeah, so this is the sweater. And like I said, it doesn't have any zipper or anything. I don't think it's meant to wear like open from what I'm seeing. But it is nice. I like it. And it's long. I can't even show you how long it is. But it doesn't have like the typical pockets that go in, but they are there at the sides. But it is so cute and it feels so warm, you guys. It feels so warm. I like this. I like this. This is really cute. Let me show you how long it is. And it's like touching my thigh. So it does get a bit long, but yeah, it's cute. I love when sweaters like these are long. I love long jackets for fall, so, or sweaters for fall. And I don't know if this would be, I guess this would be like a sweater. Not a cardigan, but a sweater. But yeah, I like it though. It's cute. Alright, you guys, so those were all the outfits. In all, I think I have like 3 tops, 2 bottoms, and then this sweater. So yeah. And thank you, Uqnaivs and Utyful, for reaching out to me. I really do like these pieces though, y'all, so definitely go check them out. Their site is on Amazon, so I will link everything in the description along with their direct links to the to their Amazon store and these pieces along with what size I wore if you want to go check them out. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you want any more hauls. Once again, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I will be putting out more hauls. I will be doing vlogs, all that good stuff. So stick around. Alright, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.